Well, here's a cylinder. Nothing too spectacular. Got some wing ports. Got your transfers. But this is what's interesting. Look at that boost port in the middle, and it doesn't go anywhere yet. There's what it looks like from below. Pretty cool shape. I see the two boosts on the side, but that one in the middle really intrigues me. 3 of 1980. There's the piston and the crank. A little bit of moisture in there, but I can't see that. The rod feels good. The bearings seem to spin fine. And if I clean up the piston, it looks pretty good. And there's the top. Main bearings don't even make much noise. Clutch is rusty because it had some water sitting in the bottom of it. Which is kind of weird. Don't know how water got in the bottom of that. The main bearings seem pretty good. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to have to split the cases. Going to have to replace that shaft. Take the clutch apart and clean it. Kind of ugly. That thing puts out spark. Kind of weird.